Hi, I'm Demetri,
And I'm Natasha,
and we're building the Monroe plan.
#1 in Inola. We have had a great experience building with Shaw so far. All of our options have been great. We've been very pleased with the flow, with how everything's been going. It's been going very smooth. Lots of options. We really like all the options. Even if you get just a basic house with no upgrades, the house would still look very beautiful. There are lots of options with the basic, no upgrades.
And they have a good choice of communities and floor plans.
Definitely go with Shaw Homes. We've looked around kind of at other communities and nobody has had what we were looking for. We really like the way the exterior of the house looks and the interior, of course. It just looks different. It doesn't look like your basic. It looks a lot more like a custom home.
I definitely recommend it.